This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Brake and clutch fluid level. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The min and max marks are indicated on the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, first wipe clean the area around the filler cap to prevent dirt entering the hydraulic system. Unscrew the filler cap. Carefully add .4 fluid, taking care not to spill it onto the surrounding components. On completion, securely refit the cap. Coolant level. The coolant expansion tank is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. The coolant level varies with the temperature of the engine. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be between the min and max marks. If topping up is necessary, wait until the engine is cold. Slowly unscrew the cap to release any pressure present in the cooling system and remove the cap. Add a 50-50 mixture of water and the specified antifreeze to the expansion tank until the coolant level is halfway between the level marks. Refit the cap and tighten it securely. Engine oil level. The engine oil filler cap is located on the top of the engine, whilst the oil level dipstick is often brightly coloured for easy identification. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. It should be between the upper max and min marks. If the level is below or near the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. Rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Slowly add the correct grade of oil. Take care to avoid spillage and check the level on the dipstick frequently to avoid overfilling. Bring the level up to the maximum mark, then reinsert the dipstick. Securely refit the oil filler cap. Power steering fluid level. The power steering fluid reservoir is located at the front of the engine compartment, behind the left-hand headlight. With the engine stopped and the wheels in the straight ahead position, unscrew the filler cap and examine the fluid level on the integral dipstick. If the fluid is cold, below 50 degrees C, the level must be at least above the lower level mark. If the fluid is hot, above 50 degrees C, the level must not be above the upper level mark. If topping up is necessary, using a funnel and a length of hose, add the correct fluid to the reservoir. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. Washer fluid level. The windscreen washer fluid reservoir filler cap is located at the front of the engine compartment. Pull up the filler cap. Add a mixture of water and Screenwash additive. Then firmly close the cap. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.